Hello everyone and welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we have come up with a fairly interesting topic for you. Basically we have come up with the recent development as far as the ACET May-June examinations are concerned. So as we know, the registration for the ACET May-June examination has been going on for quite a while now. The registration actually opened on 13th of March 2020, 3 p.m. onwards. And the previous deadline of the same, which when the registration is supposed to continue, was on 11th April 2020 till 3 p.m. Okay, and subsequently, in accordance to this particular routine, the previous examination date that was scheduled was on 9th May 2020 in the morning shift between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and subsequently the results were supposed to be announced on 16th of May 2020. But due to the current situation of the lockdown in place, due to the pandemic that we are facing with, the entire schedule has been changed and the deadline for the same has also been extended to a further degree. Now, if you look at the deadline, the new deadline date has been announced as 17 June 2020 till 3 p.m. So basically, we have from the day I'm recording this video, we have a week or so till the deadline basically closes. And the new date for the examination, which is penned down, is 27 June 2020, and the timing remains the same from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. There is the morning shift itself. The timing has been remained the same, and the result date has also been tentatively announced to be on 8 July 2020. Okay, so this information was basically ventured out or basically given out by the IAI or the Institute of Actuary India. So they have basically given out the information. So these are the recent development as far as the ACET examinations are concerned. So with that said, we'll also take a look at a few of the important points regarding the same, regarding the examinations in general, so that you can have a better idea of the scenario. So let's take a look. One more important date that has been announced was the last date for student membership admission if they want to join. So there will be 20 July after the results are announced. So you have been given actually 12 days to decide whether you guys want to join up or not. So that's also important point. Now, let's talk about the eligibility criteria for the same. So the students who have appeared or have passed 10 plus 2, that is class 12 examination or an equivalent examination, they are eligible to appear for the examination. These are the procedure for registration for ACET. Okay, so basically all you have to do is pass your class 12 or the equivalent examination of the same equivalent exam, and you are eligible to appear for this ACET examination in general. So now let's talk about how you can register yourself for the examination as such. So initially all you have to do is visit the IAI website. Okay, so this is the link which you can go through. You can actually type this on your computer on any web browser, and you can actually go to this particular link itself, and then you can sign up yourself for the examination. Students are advised to use desktop and laptop for the registration itself. Please do not use mobile phones for registration. You can charge your center, you can change your center in your login anytime before, so these are the important dates, before 11th April up to 3 p.m. only. So whichever center you may feel like will be convenient for you, you can change that particular center till 11th April 2020. So make sure you are wise about selection of your centers pertaining to the examination, so that you can actually get the center of your choice, which basically involves less hassle for you as far as the communication is concerned. It is mandatory to upload your passport size photograph. So yeah, it is mandatory as per mentioned specification. So please do take a look of the specification itself. Most probably the size comes up to be around 50 KB. So make sure it's a very minimal size. You will receive confirmation email in case your uploaded photograph is up to the mark, else you will be receiving rejection email asking you to re-upload. So you will be notified either way whether the thing that you have uploaded is of use to them or not, and they will in accordance to you can take the further action as per the necessity is concerned. Now, having said that, here are a few do's and don'ts as far as the ACET examination is concerned. Okay, so this is the size of the image. Upload your recent standard passport size photograph of 4.5 centimeter length and 3.5 centimeter wide in color. So, okay, so no black and white photographs, and those do not upload black and white photographs. So these are the few points you should keep in mind. Background of the photograph should be plain white and dress should be in dark color just to get the contrast. And okay, so we need that. Photograph with dark background or in uniform or with eyes hidden under colored or sunglasses will not be accepted. So make sure dark background, uniform, eyes hidden with dark glasses not accepted. So make sure you remember this key point. Photograph should fit within the given box. So there will be a specified box here. We should photograph should fit within that. Photograph is not to be signed. Okay, so no signing is allowed. Okay, keep in mind. Frontal view of the full face should be visible on the photograph. That is, your photograph should be clear enough. Distracting shadow on the face or in the background should not be there. Keep in mind, photograph should be pretty clear. It should be evident that the photograph is yours. Basically, identification should be pretty much clear. Now, print of the photograph should be clear and with a continuous tone quality. Okay, eye must not be covered by air. Keep very important point. So make sure you don't come up with some kind of fancy hairstyles while you're uploading the photographs or taking the photographs in general. Expression of the face should be neutral, no grinning, frowning, raised eyebrows. Glass on eyeglasses should be avoided with slight upwards or downwards tilt on the head. Okay. Eyes must be open and both edges of the face must be clearly visible. So important points again. Photograph should not be damaged, for example, torn, seized or marked. Okay. Minimum photo resolution should be, this is the minimum photo, 1500 pixel to 1500 pixel. Maximum photo should not be more than 1 MB size only. And the so minimum size would be somewhere 1500 pixel to 150 pixel to 150 pixel. The maximum photo should not be more than 1 MB. So this is the required size. So make sure you keep in mind. And generally, the format of the .png, .jpg, JPEG, GIF or RAW format. These are the formats. Head covering are not permitted except during religious reasons. But for facial features from bottom to chin of the forehead, both edges of face must be clearly visible. Okay. Head should be in the center of the frame. Both ears should be visible. Photograph cut to form a group of photographs is not acceptable. So these are the few do's and don'ts pertaining to the photograph that you will be uploading. Okay. Further, select the examination center in which you wish to appear from the drop-down list. There will be a drop-down list when you go for the registration. Confirmation of the exam center is subject to minimum number registration from the center. Okay, the confirmation registration center will be sent to you by email. So you will get an email notification on the same as well. On filling up the online registration form, you will receive a confirmation mail at your registered email ID. Receive a confirmation registered email ID, giving you the link to proceed further by giving other details, uploading your photographs and making payment registration fees by debit, credit card or internet banking. Okay, so these are the few things that will be going. By the last moment you have to make the payment, the amount which will be mentioned in the last day, so you have to make that as well. In case you do not receive any confirmation mail, kindly get in touch. So this is the, you can get in touch with the at us, or you can call them at this one. Okay, and call them up as well. So, and finally, the final step after the registrations are done would be after successful registration, you will be able to download the welcome kit of one sample question paper. Okay, so make sure you download this, the sample question paper. Make sure you indicating solutions of your login download tab using same ID and password you have entered when you're online. You will also receive an email at your registered email address confirming your registration and successful payment. Okay, so in case you don't receive it, you can again contact them on these numbers. Okay, so hopefully this is clear. And now, lastly, all correspondence will be as is done through your email ID. So all the communication through the will be done through registered email ID. Hall ticket will be available to download by 24th April 2020 at the below mentioned link. So this was the previous date which was announced. So now hall ticket can be available anytime after, what to say, anytime after 17 June. Okay, so that will be available and you can download it on this particular link as well. So this is the link from which you have to download your hall ticket. After booking for ACET examination, you have to take the print out of the hall ticket and carry it to the exam center along with the government issued ID proof such as Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, voter card, PAN cards, anyone in original hard copy. Without it, you will not be able to appeal for the examination. In case you are a class 12 student, then you can create class 12 examination hall ticket or college ID as a proof duly attested in original. Okay. The student who want to take IAI admission student membership through non-ACET route, please refer. You can actually refer to this particular link as well. You can go to your web browser and basically type this link, so you will get more details regarding the same. So this was all regarding the recent changes in the as far as the deadlines are concerned as for ACET in general. So in case you are looking to prepare for the same, you can actually look us up at Saurav Sir classes. Classes. We are one of the best when it comes to preparing students for the ACET examination. Since only a few days left, so you will get immensely from our classes or the expertise as far as teaching for ACET examination concerned. You can actually contact us on our email ID, which is Saurav Sir classes @gmail.com. Or you can actually look us up on our website as well, www.sauravsirclasses.com. Okay, and apart from that, you can also call us up or text us or WhatsApp us on our numbers. 74391848809 or 869758557 followed by 8337881 9836793 and finally 98782 748222756. You can actually call, text, or WhatsApp us or any of this number so that you can avail our facilities as well as teaching and study materials, classroom sessions, classroom programs, study materials, and crash courses for the same, so that you can get the extra boost necessary to ace this examination. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. In case you like the video, make sure to like, share, subscribe to our channel so that we can get necessary insights on the same and we can prepare you with the help of our multiple videos on our channel so that you can get better preparation and better insights for any kind of examination you're targeting. So that's it. We've come to the end of the video and I'm signing out. Thank you.